How to buy rental property now using your home equity. Hey, Property Profit investors, ever looked at your house and thought, there's money hidden in these walls? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're unlocking the power of your home's equity to expand your real estate portfolio. Today we're diving deep, so stick around as we count down the top 10 ways into how you can buy rental property now using your home equity. Ready to amplify your property game? Let's dive in. Number 10, Home Equity 101, the foundation. Before diving into the strategy, it's crucial to grasp what home equity is. Simply put, home equity is the difference between your home's current market value and the amount you owe on your mortgage. As you make mortgage payments and as your home's value appreciates, your equity grows. Think of it as a silent savings account that can be used to leverage and potentially open doors for rental properties. Number 9, accurate equity evaluation. Get the numbers right. Knowing you have equity is one thing. Pinpointing its exact value is another. You'll need an accurate home appraisal to determine your current market value. Once you have that, subtract the remaining mortgage balance. Voila! There's your home equity figure. But be mindful, banks often lend only a fraction of this equity, so it's crucial to get this number spot on for maximum investment potential. Number 8, home equity loan, your home's superpower. Once you know your equity, it's time to harness its power. A home equity loan allows you to borrow against its value. It's like asking your home for a favor, and because it trusts you, you often get better interest rates than other loans. But with great power comes great responsibility. Using your home as collateral means risks are involved, so always have a clear repayment plan. Number 7, home equity line of credit, HELOC, your financial safety net. Unlike a fixed loan amount, a HELOC gives you a credit limit based on your equity. Think of it as a credit card backed by your home. You can borrow as much or as little as you need, up to the limit, and pay interest only on what you borrow. It's flexible and can be perfect for investors unsure about the exact amount they'll need. But, just like a credit card, discipline in spending and repayment is key. Number 6, the costs. Know them before you owe them. Using home equity can be a goldmine, but there are costs beyond just the loan amount. From closing costs, appraisal fees, to potential annual charges or early repayment fees, the expenses can stack up. Before diving in, ensure you have a complete picture of all costs involved. Knowledge is power, and in this case, being aware means no unpleasant surprises later. Number 5, navigating the risks, protecting your primary residence. Using your home's equity is powerful, but your home's safety comes first. By leveraging equity, you're putting your home in the game. Plan thoroughly for your loan repayments and factor in possible hiccups like vacancies or market shifts. Smart planning helps ensure your home remains your sanctuary, not a liability. Number 4, market research, picking the right rental property. Having the funds is just the start. Choosing the right property is where the magic happens. So don't just jump at the first property you see. Research neighborhoods, understand local rental demands, and consider potential appreciation rates. Look at property conditions, local amenities, and school districts. An informed decision today can lead to profitable rents and value appreciation tomorrow. Number 3, cash flow is king, picking a high-demand rental. The real goal? Consistent rent money rolling in. After picking a property, check its rental demand. Look at nearby rentals, their prices, and how often they're vacant. Think about property management and maintenance costs. Properties in a high-demand location tends to fill up faster and can guarantee a consistent income stream, making your equity investment worthwhile. Number 2, exit strategy, the future game plan. Real estate isn't just about entry, it's about a smart exit too. Even if you're in it for the long haul, plan for unexpected changes. Markets fluctuate, life happens. By plotting a potential sell or refinance path, you're ensuring smoother transitions and safeguarding your investment. Number 1, diversify for stability, not putting all eggs in one basket. Unlocking your home's equity feels like hitting the jackpot, but it's wise not to bet it all on one number. Think about dividing that wealth. Invest in various properties or explore different regions. By diversifying, you not only spread potential risks, but also tap into multiple revenue streams, ensuring a balanced real estate portfolio. Conclusion. Leveraging your home's equity is like hitting the lottery, turning your most personal asset into a powerful investment tool. As we've journeyed through these strategies, always remember that knowledge, preparation, and diversification are your best allies. So, Property Profit investors, are you ready to transform equity into opportunity? Subscribe now because we have some great investment videos coming up, and I'd hate for you to miss out on these tips. Stay informed, stay invested, and let's grow our property empire together. See you later.